This was my office.
And do you still use it as an office?
Very seldom now. I work more or less work from downstairs now. But there's still things up here like I still come up for. Sylvester the cat. People often say to me, Sil Fox, but what is your real name? They said it's a real stage name, which is great, but it's my real name. You know, it's Sylvester, just short to Sil. My name is Sylvester. My niece, Carmel, gave me that. It was really unbelievable what happened, you know. I mean, I was approached one day by a Garda who said that there was a charge against me for a sexual assault with a woman while they asked me to have a selfie. And I said to the guard, I said, "Are you having me on or something like this?" Because I wouldn't do anything like that. I never have, and never in trouble in my life. So he said, "Well, we're putting the charge, we're going ahead with it." So they went ahead, and I was in court, and I did ask the judge to give me a bit of anonymity, or whatever you call it. So they said no. So they put my name and my photograph in all the papers. And it was devastating because any bookings I had were cancelled. And my radio show was cancelled as well. So I was more or less gone into a recluse, you know. But it was only afterwards I found out that there was a CCTV of that particular night. And if the guard, if he'd have looked at the CCTV, he would have known straight away that I would have no case to answer. My case started in 2019 it was, and it finished in 2020 when the judge, Murphy was her name, she looked at the CCTV and dismissed the case straight away. We're waiting on the DPP to get in touch with our barristers and our solicitors. So I'm only hoping that I get an apology from them. At the moment I'm 90.
You're 90, and I mean, what kind of a toll do you think this takes, you know, when you're 90 years old?
Well, I didn't think I haven't performed on stage now for the last year and a half. I never thought it would end like this. You know, I was going to go out on a big, you know, retiring after having it, but this thing really ruined my life, this case. So like, so I more or less am retired now, which I had to be because it's a bit late to start it all over again. Although you never know, stranger things have happened.